Understanding peaceful existence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and profound topic: peaceful existence. What does it mean to live peacefully? How can embracing this concept change our lives and interactions with others? Let's explore this together, breaking down the phrase for a deeper understanding. Firstly, let's understand what peaceful means. Peaceful refers to a state of tranquility, where there's no conflict, stress, or disturbance. It's when you're in harmony with yourself and your surroundings. Imagine a quiet morning with no noise, just the calmness enveloping you. That's the essence of being peaceful. Now, let's talk about existence. Existence is the fact or state of living or having objective reality. It encompasses your life, activities, and being in the world. When we talk about existence, we're referring to the day-to-day reality of being alive. So, what does peaceful existence mean when we bring these concepts together? A peaceful existence refers to living a life marked by tranquility and harmony, without unnecessary conflicts or disturbances. It's about finding peace within yourself and spreading it to your environment. It's a way of life where you prioritize inner peace and calmness in your interactions with the world. Embracing a peaceful existence has profound benefits. It can reduce stress, improve mental health, and enhance our relationships with others. By choosing to live peacefully, we contribute to a more harmonious world. It encourages us to deal with challenges in a calm manner and to seek solutions that promote peace. Achieving a peaceful existence involves several steps. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you stay present and find peace in the moment. Kindness and empathy. Being kind and understanding towards others fosters a peaceful environment. Avoiding conflict. While it's not always possible to avoid conflict, seeking peaceful resolutions is key. Gratitude. Appreciating what you have can shift your focus from what you lack to the abundance around you. We hope this exploration of peaceful existence has inspired you to seek tranquility in your life and interactions. Remember, a peaceful existence starts with small steps and a commitment to living harmoniously. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to seeing you in our next one. Peace be with you.